Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. It's another day. It's like 12 o'clock. We're on our way to take Colton to school.
Now we're going to the park because I just want to wear jeans. Merry Christmas number 8.
Well, it's day 8 on their Christmas schedule, so it's pajama day. But before we get to that part of the day, we're gonna go do some bottle flipping. You ever?
Yeah, I think I won that time.
You think you're gonna win?
No, I think I won that time.
Oh, last time you think you won?
Yeah.
Oh, well, maybe Dada wins this time.
I think I won again.
Oh, you think you're gonna win again?
Yeah.
All right, well, we're gonna find out.
We're finding a Lamborghini right now.
Yeah, we did. Yesterday when we were here.
Lamborghini.
Yeah, a Lamborghini came through here. I think it was a, not the most Lamborghini expert as far as like body styles, but I'm pretty sure it was a Huracan. But it had the it had T-tops in it.
No,
or
Dad, I think it's a Torza.
You think it was a what?
A Torza.
A Torza? I don't know which one that one is.
That's R8 Torza. It's an R8 Torza.
Oh.
Eventually.
So many Lamborghinis in the
All
car.
the Lamborghinis.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, how are we all doing today? Happy Advent, and I think Kwanzaa, maybe? I might have screwed that all up, but either way it works. How are we doing today, guys? So today, I just got a phone call about 20 minutes or so ago. Cylinder heads are done for the 3.2 liter, so we're gonna go pick those up. Parts came in the mail yesterday for that. Still haven't opened those boxes. Sean, the transmission guy, is finally, he is my boy and all. God bless him. I love him to death. If you're watching this, Sean, you are amazing. But dang, dude, I'm gonna buy you a new watch. Real Talk Vlogs, I love you. And to close the day out, Steve and I shoot our podcast on Real Talk Vlogs, which will be available Friday morning, 12:01 a.m. I hope my camera's looking all right here. It's kind of wonky. The afternoon is kind of packed, jammed up, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. That's how today's gonna go. So I'm gonna stop talking. I gotta get some driving done. I need to burn some miles really quickly. So check back in when we get the cylinder. Check back in when we pick the cylinder heads up. Bob's got a really cool shot. Maybe he'll let us run the camera around, say hi to everybody. Sometimes he's a little iffy about that stuff. He doesn't like to show how he makes money, which is fine. I get it. So, all right, I'm outie. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so today's gotten weird. I got back from Bob's. We got the cylinder heads here. Made sure they were decked. They liquid tested them for me as well, just to make sure that there was no like cracked valves or anything like that. I don't think Sean's coming now, which really sucks, but what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Less of me doing it myself. I have the book, I could put it back together myself, I think. I've never done it. It's one of those that like, I would do it if I had to, I would do it if I had to, but I don't think we're at the point yet where I have to do it. I think it's just a patience and waiting game. Paul is out getting bolts and nuts for this thing. I gotta go to the house and get ready for a podcast, which I shoot at 7 o'clock. So it's kind of like, in my life right now. But that's just Wednesday. Like Wednesday's kind of a cluster day. Thursdays are kind of a cluster day. But at the end of the day, so yeah, that's about it. I really can't do nothing on the race car right now because I've got too many things apart that, yeah, we don't want shit into. So I do need to get some material for the front end of this. I was looking at a couple cars at the PRI show and I was kind of questioning how or what type of material to use up here. And then I seen one car that stood out to me and they were using, hold on. So they were using stock about this size, not solid like this, but actually round stock, like little tube stock. And I was like, interesting. So I was getting actually ready to, I was almost prepared to overbuild it, which would have made even more weight out here. So seeing that gave me some really good inspiration for like material types. Going through this whole process of is making sure that you have the right thickness of material. Like the cage has to be a specific type of material, otherwise it won't pass tech. So making sure I have like the right material in the right spots is a big deal on this build overall. So now that I figured that out, also we found some guys that I'm gonna have my fuel lines made. These fuel lines suck. Like they ballooned up. One of those kits, I was like, okay, where can we save a little bit of money? And I bought a kit on eBay thinking, okay, get what I pay for type of thing, and paid a little bit more, but not as much. And in hindsight, I burned myself. So it's either A, order a kit off of like a fuel line kit off of Summit, or B, have fuel lines made for the car to the length that I would need them. And I think that's the route we're gonna go. It all kind of breaks down to price is a thing. If I pay the really good if I pay the price for the really good parts, longevity, maintenance, how hard is it, how much of abuse is it gonna take, those are things I haven't ventured down yet. So now that we've gotten back from PRI, I have ventured down those paths, and the long and the short here is I need to step my QC levels up. There's a lot of things that you can still save money on and buy cheap parts, but that has got, that list has gotten like chopped in half on stuff that you want to buy cheaper. And guys, I know every day is an adventure, and not all adventures are the same level of excitement and fun. But if you're enjoying Vlogmas and you want to see more content like this, like vlog style, smash that like button and let me know in the comment section below if I should continue Vlogmas after Christmas. The thought has crossed my mind. I really enjoy doing these. It's fun. It's a way to kind of vent every once in a while. It gives you guys an insight of what it goes on to make these cars, mod these cars, you know, and just the shit you guys can do. This stuff is easy. Anybody can do it. Anything I don't know, I'm willing to learn. It's all nuts and bolts. There's a tool for it. Some cases you got to make a tool, but it's all possible. And that's one of the things that I'm all about on my channel. So if you're into that sort of thing and you want to see more about what is possible for you to actually dive into and do, smash that subscribe button, guys, and I will keep making content just for that. So back to whatever part of the show I interrupted. Yeah. Anyway, I'm kind of ranting here, guys. I'm going to shut this thing off. I'm not getting anything done out here tonight. I'm going to get to the house, start editing what is tomorrow's vlog, and then just get ready for the podcast. So guys, if this is where I end the video, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm sorry for such uneventful activities in today's adventures, but I'll see you tomorrow. So peace. I'm outie.